Hey guys, welcome to Pilling's Kitchen, where you let your taste bud be excited. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Excited taste buds. Hey guys, welcome to Pilling's Kitchen. Live life freely. So, tonight I decided to make some shrimp and pepperoni pizza, right? But the catch is, I'm about to put that Jamaican twist in it, you know what I'm saying? So the tomato sauce, I'm gonna add that jerk seasoning in it, you know what I'm saying? Cook it down a little bit to give it that aroma, you know what I'm saying? That island vibes to it. So tonight, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let your taste bud be excited. So with me, I have some pizza dough that I got from the stores already pre-wrapped, right? And then I got me some tomato sauce, right? And I got me some cheese, got some shrimp, I got some pepperoni, right? So first, I'm gonna season up my shrimp, right? I'm gonna get a little bit of my all-purpose Maggi. That's that Jamaican season, you know. Add a little bit of that in there, right? Like I said, we don't measure seasoning, so we just pour into our heart's content, right? All right, a little bit of garlic powder. We got some Szechuan right here. All right, a little Szechuan seasoning there. All right, then I got a little bit of paprika. That's all you really need for your shrimp to start. Cook it down, and then we'll move on to the making the sauce for the pizza. All right, so now I got my pot ready on the stove. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my shrimp. It's not gonna be a big pizza. It's just a little family size pizza, just for myself and my daughter, and if the wife wants it. Let these brown a little bit. These brown, then we move on to the sauce that we're going to use on the pizza. Alright, so now I'm about to start making the sauce, right? I'm making the tomato sauce, so right now I want to add a little bit of basil. Well, more like parsley, because the tomato had basil sauce in it, so I had a little bit of parsley to give it a little bit more flavor into it. Alright, so that's that flavor right there. I'm gonna add into it right there. A little bit more flavor into it. And give it a little start up, right? Alright, while it's going, I love me some garlic, so you know I have to have a little bit of garlic powder in there, you know. So add a little bit of garlic in here bubbling up already. Add that garlic powder in there, keeping it good. Alright. So once I get that garlic powder in there, that's my sauce. As you can see, my sauce is coming. This is what I'm gonna lay out on a pizza dough, and then have my shrimp and pepperoni, some cheese, right, all over it. Get it ready to go. Alright, so as you can see here, I got my pizza dough already rolled out, the pre-dough, and this is a thin crust, and it also has what you'd say, parchment paper that came with it, so you can island flavor. Yeah. All right, so spread that out. All right. Can smell the aroma of the parsley and the basil together, and adding that jerk seasoning in it too. You know, just to give it that nice flavor, extra flavor. Yeah, don't you know? Yeah. So that's my extra flavor in there. All right, so I'm spreading this out right now. All right. Once I get this all spread it out, try even it out, add a little bit more over here, right? Just to keep it good and coming. All right. Once I got all right, now I have the stove, the oven preheating right now. All right. 400 degrees, right? All right. All right. Now now I'm feeling comfortable, or I'm feeling satisfied with my spreading, even though it's not that crazy even as I need to be, right? All right. Then I have my cheese on there. All right. So I like this cheese right here. I always get from Aldi's. It's a cheese for melting, great for melting, it says. So I usually get this type of cheese right here, right? So I get my cheese just get my cheese all over that thing, all right? Alright. Now I got my cheese all spread out on here. Look like I might run out of cheese. Alright, I don't want to put too much more on there. So now, alright, so now I get these already pre-packaged pepperoni. I'm just gonna add on there, right? Just gonna get pepperoni all over it real quick. Right. It's just a meat night, no vegetable, just pepperoni, right? And I had it all over there, right? Just all over it. Pepperoni, huh? Right? Yeah, so make sure I get my pepperoni in there. Alright. I think this is enough pepperoni. But now I did the shrimp, right? So what I did, I minced up the shrimp real quick. Then I'm just gonna add the shrimp all over it, right? Add some shrimp, right? All over it, right? Still put some in between the pepperoni still, right? Alright. Now I got my shrimp on there. Alright. So I'm gonna add some more cheese to it now. Like I said, this cheese is very melty cheese, so easy to melt. Best thing for melting. I like to use these on when I make my own type of you'd say how the Hispanics or say the Mexicans say it, carne asada fries. You know what I'm saying? Either some carne asada fries or some pollo fries. Yeah, it look like that. Look like I ran out of cheese. All right, so I ran out of cheese, but guess what? Bam! Got more cheese for you. Woo. This is called asadero cheese. All right, still for great for melting. All right, still got that right now. All right, and this one have a little bit of different little flavor to it. All right, and I think I got enough cheese now. I think I got enough cheese. Yeah. I think I got enough cheese down. Yeah. What do y'all think? Yeah, I think so too. Alright. Got that cheese down. And now, time to go into the oven. Alright, so now this is the final product of that shrimp and pepperoni pizza. You can smell that. You can smell that church seasoning blend in there. I like to just cut it, cut it up to make sure it's cooled down, because this thing is, I'm telling you, this thing is hot right now. Look at all that. So, product, here's the finished product, right? And I tell you, this thing is good. Time to excite my taste buds. Oh yeah. Still taste the shrimp in it, right? And at the same time, you can taste that jerk seasoning in there. Give it flavor. You know what I'm saying? It's not, the seasoning is not overpowering. It's real good, man. Tell you what. Yeah. This is good. This is good. Now, I'm about to go eat this pizza right here. Y'all have a great night.